another craft fair video. So I've made several variations of these cute little tea pockets and they are so much fun. I went back to the little mug style pocket that I made years and years and years ago, and I made for multiple years in a row, just kind of like the hot cocoa ones, but they're little and they're mini and they're so cute. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, even though we just did a tutorial on the hot cocoa ones in the last video if you missed that. And they're just like a bigger version of these. So if you missed this video, go ahead and click the link below and you can see the entire playlist for the craft fair series. But we're gonna make these adorable little tea pockets and they're so cute and mini. And the best part about these is you can use up a 6x6 paper pad or multiple 6x6 paper pads like I did. I used so many different ones and I'll show you the ones I used in just a second. But these turned out so cute. I absolutely love them. So I used 2 of these North Pole trading paper pads from Photoplay, and I used every single sheet that was available in a print. So I left just the cut aparts in here. So I just have the big cut aparts left. And so I used 2 of those, and I'll link these below because these are the most beautiful papers ever. And I also used all the pattern papers out of this Mega Pad Christmas Time by Echo Park. And so again, all I have left are the plain sheets and the cut aparts. And then I had to pull even another 6x6 paper pad, and I used just a few of these sheets. I think I used like 9 or 10, but there's mostly just the solid and the cut aparts left. So I'll link all of those below if they're available. We made a total of 60 of these for the craft fair. And here they all are packaged up, and I'm going to show you how I package them and everything. Okay, so here's all the stuff I used to make these cute tea favors, and you can use whatever you want. Just customize it to however you want. Get any tea, any type of sweetener or whatever you want to put on the side, and embellishment. So this is what we're going to need. You need 1 piece of 6x6 paper, and I'm using a double-sided piece. Of course, you'll need a tea, and I'm using a Christmas theme one, and I got these on Amazon, and these are so delicious. So this is called Christmas Eve tea. So this tea is like a combination of cinnamon, orange peel, vanilla, and cloves, and oh my gosh, it is so, so, so good. So that is the tea I'm using. And then I got a little candy cane, and these are so good, and they're so vibrant and solid. None of them broke. So there's the candy cane. And then I got these cute little granulated honey packets off Amazon. And these are so cute, first of all, in the craft paper with the little bee and the honey. And these I used the very first year I made this type of pocket, but I used some that I got at the grocery store. But I found these on Amazon, and they're so adorable, and I will link them below. They come in a pack of 60, and I used every single pack. And then last, for the embellishment, I used these cute little mugs, stickers from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so let's get started. It's super easy. So the first thing we're gonna do is just like the hot cocoa pockets. You fold this in a triangle, and you just line up that corner and press it down. You can take a little help from your bone folder if you need to. So then you're gonna round this corner, and I believe I left my corner rounder in the other room, so I'm just gonna grab my envelope punch board and round it. But you can use any corner rounder to round that. And then you're just gonna take this and fold the first layer of the top down until you have just about 3/4 of an inch from the bottom there. So then you're just going to crease that down. So now this is what you have. So once you've folded that down, just turn it this way, and you're gonna take this corner and you're gonna fold this in until it's just about 1/8 or 1/4 of an inch away from this fold right here. So once you have that, just crease it down. Then you're gonna go to this side, turn it this way so you can work with it, and then you're going to fold this up and just make sure that it's even with the top edge of the other one you just folded. So that's how you know that you have it right. So line those up and then just crease it down. So once you have that all creased and where you need it, so on the last video I had you use Scor Tape, but because these are smaller and this seems to work really well, and so you're going to just fold that first flap that you folded down and just put adhesive on the bottom of that. And then you're gonna fold that in and it'll stick down. And then on this one over here, just do the same thing, a little bit of adhesive just along the bottom. And then you can fold that down. So now our cute little pocket's coming along, and the last thing we're gonna do is fold this down to here. So I'm gonna add a little glue to that flap as well. So we're basically done with our cute little pocket. Isn't that adorable? I love the pattern on pattern look, and it's so cute and mini. I love it. So now grab the goodies you're gonna put in there, and what I do, as you noticed, these weren't falling out when I was showing them to you. So I'm gonna take some adhesive and just put a little bit on the flap there. So then take your cute little honey granules, and I like to put them on the right side all the way over to the right at a slight angle, and press that down. You can see the little honey and the bee right there. Then take the tea, you're gonna put that in all the way to the left over the honey at a slight angle to the left, so you can still see the Christmas Eve caffeine free, and then just kind of give that a gentle push so it goes into the adhesive. So then what I do is I just put a little bit of adhesive right in the middle of the two packets, and I'll move the candy cane all the way to the top and slide that down and just press it very gently so it stays there. And we're all done with our cute little pocket. We just need to put an embellishment right there. Isn't it so adorable? So again, I'm using these cute little stickers, and they're called coffee cups, but to me, they can be either one because some of these have like cinnamon and lemon or orange in them. So they could be teacups, I think. So for this one, I think I'm going to use, the cute little deer. So this is what I'm using, and it's 3D kind of pop-up with a foam adhesive. So I'm just going to place that right in the middle on the flap. And actually, you can put this on before if you want. It doesn't really matter. But there it is. Our cute little tea pocket is done. And I'm telling you, these went so fast. And it's a great way to use up your 6x6 paper. Okay, so now as you can see, I packaged them in these clear bags so that way they're protected at the craft fair. They're protected, so if people want to flip through them to look at the designs or the tea, they'll be protected. Plus, they're nice and packaged, which makes it super cute to give as a gift. So I'm going to link these below, but these are the ones that I used from clear bags. And I do have a coupon code. So I'll link those below for you so you can just go over and get the exact size you need. And of course, we're going to go with the same rules as the hot cocoa pockets. Flip it so the bottom is at the top, and that's how you're going to slide this in. And the top of the bag is where the flap is longer. And you're just going to slide this in. We're not going to do a bag topper. These are very simple. And it takes the whole 6x6 paper. So just going to slide that in until it's at the top, and then of course, seal it up. Wasn't that the easiest thing ever? Okay, so there they are. Here's the one we did together, and I hope that you enjoyed this. For the craft fair, we're going to be charging $3 each for these tea favors. I hope that you enjoyed this project, and you'll go and get your 6x6 paper out or get your 12x12 and cut it down to 6x6 and just find what you have in your stash. I'm going to link everything I used below. There's different types of holiday teas here. I got peppermint and gingerbread, and then of course the Christmas Eve tea. I hope that you're enjoying the craft fair series, and I just wanted to mention that I do updates and stuff on my Instagram page, so if you want to go over and follow me on Instagram, that would be wonderful. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next craft fair video. Bye!